Okay, Jay, we just got here, and now we're going up to the Edinburgh Castle, and this is stadium stands for the big tattoo that happens in August. Anyways, if I can get around these people, I'll bring you up to the castle. Look at that. I'll get you some more vid in a bit. One last panorama. Let's go around these people. Let's keep going. Let's go around this lady. And there we come right up on Bag, taking pictures. Look at that. Bag at Edinburgh Castle. Turn around, Bag. Say hi.
Hi, Jay.